solve the mystery if we don't get some help. You simply have to help us.
Now, hold on a second. You're both right. We do need their help, but it's a lot to ask, especially from people who are here to have a good time.
Why don't you ask them? It can't hurt.
Oh, make sure to tell them that the fate of Hershey's chocolate rests in their hands. You know, lead with the need.
Reese, I'm not trying to talk them into doing something they don't want to do. I'll just tell them the truth and let them decide.
Oh, good luck with that.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. Well, folks, I guess we've kept you in the dark long enough. You see, the thing is, we have a bit of a mystery going on inside one of our chocolate factories. But don't worry, our chocolate is still as great as ever.
Yeah, but somebody's been snooping around inside the factory after closing time, and we need to get to the bottom of it, because that's who we are.
Hey, I was going to say that.
Boys, let's get back to the matters at hand. The factory, the intruders, the mystery.
Oh, yeah. Like Reese said, we think we have someone sneaking into the factory after closing time. Let me show you.
Aw, hey, why'd you do that?
Oh, sorry, Reese. I'll get you back online in a minute. Well, these images were recorded over several nights at the factory. They're kind of hard to make out, but it's pretty clear that someone or something is sneaking around inside the factory.
Oh, Manny, look.
What's strange about this is that the factory isn't supposed to be operating at this point.
A look at the digital logs shows that the entire line was down during these hours.
Even though the security footage shows that, at least for a little while, the system was operational.
Stranger still, if any candy was made during this time, it wasn't there in the morning when the day shift started. No inventory or ingredients are missing, or at least nothing significant, so we can't figure out what's going on.
This is where you come in.
We really could use more eyes and ears to watch what's going on inside the factory tonight. There are only 3 of us, and we can't be everywhere.
So, what do you say?
They'll do it. I know they will.
Hey, no pressure. Those doors are about to open. They lead to our central surveillance and observation chamber.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to Reese.
Really? Look, if you're with us, come on in. We'll give you your assignments once you're inside. Those glasses you're holding are special surveillance goggles. If you don't want to take on this mission, don't worry about it. It's just that we'd really like to solve this mystery tonight.
What do you say, folks? Can we help them out? Yeah! Excellent. All right, folks, the doors are opening. As a reminder, this is a top secret mission. There is no filming while you are in